Unearthing the Meaning of Be a Gem, a guide for English learners. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a sparkling phrase in the English language, be a gem. Often heard in conversations, this phrase carries a special meaning and connotation that we're going to explore. Whether you're a beginner or advancing in English, understanding these unique expressions can truly enhance your language skills. So, let's get started and uncover the hidden jewels in this phrase. At its core, be a gem is a metaphorical expression. A gem is a precious stone, valued for its beauty and rarity. When someone is referred to as a gem, it implies that they are valuable, cherished, and possess qualities that are admirable. This phrase is often used in a commendatory manner, suggesting that someone is being extraordinarily helpful, kind, or considerate. For example, if someone helps you with a difficult task and you say, "You're a gem for helping me out," you're expressing deep appreciation for their assistance. 1. As a compliment, "You're a gem for organizing this event so well." 2. To express gratitude, "Thanks for bringing the documents, you're a gem." 3. In casual conversation, "My grandma is a real gem. She always knows how to cheer me up." Notice how the phrase adapts slightly depending on the context, but the underlying sentiment of appreciation and value remains consistent. In different English-speaking cultures, be a gem can carry slightly varied connotations. For instance, in British English, it might be used more frequently in a casual, affectionate manner. Additionally, variations of the phrase like "a real gem" or "an absolute gem" might be used to intensify the expression. 1. Overuse in formal contexts. While "be a gem" is a positive phrase, it might be too casual for formal or professional settings. 2. Misinterpreting the meaning. Remember, it's about praising someone's character or actions, not their physical appearance. 3. Incorrect variations. Avoid phrases like "a gem person" or "gem-like." Stick to "a gem" or "you're a gem." Be a gem is a small phrase that carries a lot of warmth and appreciation. It's a wonderful way to acknowledge someone's kindness, helpfulness, or overall lovely nature. As you continue your journey in English language learning, embracing such expressions will not only enrich your vocabulary but also help you connect more deeply with others. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be using these phrases like a native speaker. Happy learning, and remember, each new phrase you learn is a tiny gem added to your linguistic treasure chest.